Jokes to the side, niggas know that they ain't fucking with the flow I provide. Y'all.
Before we get into the video all the way, y'all, we are doing a Cool Gray giveaway. The Air Jordan 4 Cool Gray set to release August 1st. Suggested retail sticker of $190. Me and the bros have teamed up and we're going to be doing this giveaway absolutely free. Rules are very simple. They will be in a link in the description box. All you have to do is be subscribed to our YouTube channels. That's myself, DeVintage World, SkipGoesHard, and SneakerAdditionz. And be following us all on Instagram. And make sure that you don't have anything on private. We got to be able to see that you are actually subbed and you are actually following us on IG and YouTube. And then come back to the video, comment your IG and your shoe size, and you will be entered. We will announce the winner before the shoes drop. So go ahead, look down, link in the description box, enter the giveaway. It's very simple. And y'all, we're going to get straight to the video. Get it! Alright, y'all, so it's not really early, but it's early.
I know, right?
We about to slide to the gym. As you can see, my eyes are going down. That's crazy. Hey, Super Duper Ruben said third time's a charm, so shout out to you, G. But we about to pack up this. We're gonna drop this off. They already sent me the stuff for eBay. We're gonna give y'all a little bit of that gym vlog action, then we're gonna give y'all a little bit of the day action. Y'all already know, man, what's good, bro? How you feeling? You wanna hit this chest today? Is my wrist alright?
Yeah, it's
little chest and shoulders.
Shoulders, little legs, calves, maybe. Okay,
and well, we're gonna give y'all a little something, so just stay tuned.
Yep.
Y'all already know, like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy DaRetroWizKid with DeVintage World, man. Make sure y'all sub up, man.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it. Just pulled up to the gym. We about to slide in the gym. We're gonna give y'all a little bit of the gym workout. I know last time we did that, a lot of people were like, man, we like that. Yeah. So we're gonna lift a little bit of weights, do the damn thing, then we're gonna drop the package off over at UPS. They already gave me that. I gotta go pick up the meds still. My eyes looking way better, so hence why I got my glasses back on. But we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna slide up in here. Y'all already know what to do. Let's go get this workout, G.
So we about to start with this flat bench right here. We got the 45s on there right now. This is lightweight for him, but it's kind of heavy for me, so this might be the highest I go right now, so y'all stay tuned.
So now we're gonna hit the 225, probably about 10 to 12 reps, second set. So we'll hit this, try to hit this about 10 to 12 times. Try to get it to where we don't need nobody to help us get the lift off, because getting the lift off, that does take energy, but at the same time it also builds strength. Hey.
Hell no to the no, no, no. Hell to the no.
He said no. Change of plans, as y'all see.
I'm gonna keep 2 plates and I'm gonna push this, you know what I'm saying? I get like 3-4 pound reps because I'm hurting right now.
And then after that, we're gonna burn it out a little bit. I'll probably do the 225 for the burnout sets, just because I started off with the 45s on the side. Now we just did a warm up, no weight. Then we put the 45s on there. It's a slow type of rep. So you're going down with it and we pausing with it, then pushing it up. And we going down with it, pushing it up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get the rhythm. And I did 12 the first rep.
the first set, should I say, and then I'm gonna increase it but go down in reps. As y'all see, hitting up the one-legged lunges, you know what I mean? We got the 50 things over there. Right here I just added the 25, so I'm gonna go for a good 12 slow type of pump. Had all cricket, y'all, but a good 12 type of pump, y'all.
Your battery about to die.
Shout out to Ami. Hellcat. Man, where that dope shit? Get over here. That man be playing. Oh, I fucked it up. I fucked it up, y'all.
Your camera about to die too.
So the camera is about to die still, y'all. But now we're gonna jump on this decline. We'll do 5 sets. So we finished the flat bench, incline, decline workout. Now we're about to move into some cables. We're gonna start at the top for 4 to 5 sets of 20. Hit the middle, then hit the bottom. All of it's gonna be 4 to 5 sets of 20s. In between, we're gonna do push-ups. So yeah, in between, we'll do about 15 to 20 push-ups for each set. Try to get ourselves up to 100 push-ups. So we just completed a very long gym workout. We've been in that thing since like 2:30. Like I told y'all, the battery was dying, y'all. So we couldn't get everything. We did some things. We did a repetition of 20 for 5 sets on them cables, top, middle, bottom. We did 100 push-ups in between while we were doing it, and then we are at main event, San Antonio, Texas. We on the North Loop right now, or we're at the North Loop one. Man, I've been busting DeVintage in the game, so you already know I gotta finish this man off. I gotta go ahead and get this dub on him, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little footage of it in there and everything, let y'all check out the spot.
Hey, my man's about to get slapped in this, you know what I'm saying, this basketball 1v1, you know what I'm saying? It's a rematch. He beat me the first time, but I'm about to beat him right now.
I beat him like 10 times.
No, I'm talking about real 1v1. Hey, I'm gonna beat him. Well time.
Hold that L. Hold that L.
Oh my God.
This my shit.
Oh my God.
Just gave that the business and he cheated. Just gave that man the business and he cheated. Look at that. He cheated though. He started a whole like 2 seconds before me, y'all. He don't want none. None. Let me show y'all something real quick. Let me show y'all something. That boy Retro got it. Up next, man, we on this Connect 4 game. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get this thing cracking. That's another dub for Retro. These little kids cheating their ass off, boy. Look at this. Look at this. They are cheating their ass off.
Add the damn thing. Look at this cheating and they still ain't making it. It's just cheating. Can't even make it. Cheating.
So now we gonna do the 2-minute drills. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do the little 2-minute drill. Let's go ahead and get the card in there. You know what I'm saying? It's another one. It's another one.
You gotta rewind that, bro.
Hey. Look at him. Another dub for. Hey, Retro over here killing this man, boy. I'm killing this man. Woo! This man cannot take me in the football. Look at this, y'all. He be throwing. Look, he throwing these perfects when he ain't playing. When he under that pressure. When he under that pressure, y'all. You see what your boy doing. You see what your boy doing. This man catching L's, nah man, cheating at its finest, bro. Cheating at its finest, bro.
Check the scoreboard. Check the scoreboard.
Bro, no, they got government names on there, bro. We ain't going up there to the scoreboard. Got government names up there, bro. They got government names up there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, Gym Chronicles. Last time I did a video with DaVintage and we put the gym in there, we did have positive feedback. We had people saying that they like to see more of that. So therefore, that's what we did. Asking you shall receive. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My camera did die. That was a minor setback if you ask me. I mean, I wasn't able to get the complete workout. For some things I had to skip over it. And I feel like I was being a little rushed trying to record things just because I was trying to keep some of the battery. And as y'all saw in the car, the battery died. We did go to UPS. We returned some of the stuff. I sent it back to eBay, so I will get the correct door seals now coming back, and I just got to take back the emblem. The people didn't reply yet, so I wasn't able to return that today. But if you guys saw the video yesterday that I dropped with the Buick update, then you guys would have saw that. Then we headed over, picked up my meds for my eyes, some type of allergic reaction. They don't know. They said allergic reaction. It's crazy. I had to go to 3 different hospitals for somebody to finally like pretty much help me out and be like, yo, this is probably what it is. And it's crazy because like I told you guys, I went to one hospital, then I went to the next hospital the next day to the emergency room, and I got the same doctor. That thing was just, that blew my mind. I was like, damn, how do I get the same doctor over here? But it is what it is. We took care of that. Now my eyes are actually going down. You can actually see it's still puffy, one over here, one over there, but it is what it is. We had a great time at main event, played some basketball through the footballs, had a great time. I mean, hey, I love main event. If you guys ever in Texas, I really don't know where main event exists all throughout the world, but I know in San Antonio, Texas, they have main event. This is the first place that I've ever been to main event, and I had a great time. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I was doing my thing. Y'all seen it. And then, you know, I lost in bowling, but that's because I didn't have my bowling ball. Pause. I got a ball named Sparkle. I normally take it with me, but I ain't have it, but it's no excuse. I must say, hey, shout out to my bro Dirt. He beat me by like 20 or yeah, about 20, 15, 20, something like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, man. Whatever it is that you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. Stay positive. Just remember, in the blink of an eye, your whole life can change at any moment. So cherish every moment, you know what I'm saying, every day. You know, you only live one life, y'all. So make sure that you guys keep that positive energy surrounding you guys at all times. Enjoy the rest of your evening. And y'all already know, catch me tomorrow on another vlog. Peace, love, in Laguna Beach. And we out this thing. Get it!